Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on and off the camera grid lines on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Now, if you want to turn on and off the camera grid lines on your Samsung phone, first of all, just open the camera app, then tap on the four dots over here. After that, just tap on the settings icon. And on this page, you will find the option of composition guide. Now, if you want to turn off grid lines on the camera app, just disable this toggle. And after you disable this toggle, you will disable the grid lines on the camera app of your Samsung phone. And if you want to enable grid lines, just tap on the four dots over here, then tap on the settings icon. And from here, just enable composition guide. After you enable composition guide, you will enable the grid lines on your Samsung phone, just like that. Also, if you want to customize the grid lines, just tap on the four dots, then go to settings. From here, just tap on composition guide. And from here, you can either select grid lines and level, or you can select grid lines only, and it will only show the grid lines and it will disable the level. Or you can enable level only, and it will disable the grid lines, but it will keep the level on the screen. And this is how you can turn on and off the camera grid lines on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.